medical experts will, in accordance with the arrangements of the Zambian health authorities, work with their Zambian counterparts to provide health services to the patients and at the same time assist in the dissemination of cholera prevention and control knowledge.
Glad that even today, Zambia and China continues to share really great friendship of true brotherhood and friendship of respect, and not one where one takes advantage of the other, but where you have true, what we call a true brother.